Good morning, students. Welcome to Masterclass channel. Today, we will learn about MCQ questions on EC 8563 Communication Networks Laboratory. Let us enter into the first questions. Question number 1. Here, some activities related to email is given. Find the correct match for the protocol used in appropriate activity. Activity 1. Send an email from a mail client to mail server. Activity 2. Download an email in mailbox from mail server to mail client. Activity 3. Checking mail in browser. So here there are three different activities will be given. So option A, activity A1 is HTTP. Activity A2 is SMTP. Then A3 is POP. Option B, here A1 is SMTP, A2 FTP, and A3 is HTTP. Option C, A1 is SMTP, A2 is POP, A3 is HTTP. Option D, A1 is POP, A2 is SMTP, A3 is ICMP. Okay. So here the correct answer will be option A, SMTP. Option C, because send an email from mail client to mail server, that is SMTP, simple mail transfer protocol. So that is the correct statement. Second question is download an email in mailbox from mail server to mail client, that is POP. And the third one is checking mail in browser, that is what? HTTP. We are doing HTTP mail, checking the mail in browser. So HTTP is the correct one. Okay. So SMTP, POP and HTTP. Option C is the correct answer for that. Second question. Which protocol uses UDP as transport protocol? Which protocol uses UDP as transport protocol? Option A, SMTP. Option B, Telnet. Option C, DNS. Option D, HTTP. Okay. So which protocol uses UDP as a transport protocol? That is DNS. Okay. DNS. That is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. Next question. Which of the following is false with regards to TTL? So option A, TTL is used to avoid infinite looping. Option B, TTL is used in debugging. Option C, TTL counts number of routers between source and destination. Option D, TTL used in lightning. So here the question is to find out the false statement with regards to the TTL. So option A, B, C are the right answer. Option D is the wrong one here. So there is a false cases for to TTL regarding the TTL. Next question. What is protocol data unit at application layer in internet stack? Option A, segment. Option B, datagram. Option C, message. Option D, frame. So what is the protocol data unit at application layer in internet stack? So application layer. So option C, that is message, is the correct one. Okay. So next question. Identify the type of the following destination MAC addresses. 1E:30:FF:FF:1A. So identify the type of following destination MAC address. Option A, broadcast. Option B, multicast. Option C, unicast. Option D, anycast. So here option C, that is unicast, is the correct answer for this question. Okay. So next question. Which is the false statement about bridge and router? Option A, router and bridge selectively transmit data packet. Option B, router uses MAC address or bridge uses IP address. Option C, routing table of bridge is made on the inspection of incoming packets. Option D, LAN and WAN can connected through the router. So the answer is option B, because router uses MAC address or bridge uses IP address. That is the wrong answer. That is a wrong statement. Okay. So here in our question, they are asking about only the false statement. To find out the false statement. So false is router uses MAC address or bridge uses IP address. Next question. Which among the following is true about transport protocol? Option A, it provides recovery from packet losses. Option B, it detects duplicate packets. Option C, it ensures the packet delivery in the correct order. Option D, it ensures end-to-end connectivity. So which among the following is true about transport protocol? So true cases. So transport protocol, it's definitely it ensures the end-to-end connectivity. So option D is the correct one. Okay. So next question, which system call among the following result as sending SYN packet? Okay. So option A, socket. Option B, bind off. Option C, listen off. Option D, connect off N. Okay. So which system call among the following result? Which system call? Okay, among the following result as sending SYN packet. So option D, that is connect off N. So that is the N1. That is the correct answer. Next question. In the starting phase of TCP congestion control algorithm, size of congestion control window. So option A, increase. Option C, does not increase. Option C, increase linearly. Option D, increase exponentially. So in starting phase of TCP congestion control, the size of the control window increases exponentially, it will get increases. So option D is the correct answer. Next question. In stop and wait ARQ, the acknowledgement number always announces in dash arithmetic the sequence number of the next frame expected. Option A, modulo M. Option B, modulo 2. Option C, modulo 4. Option D, none of the above. Okay. In stop and wait ARQ, the acknowledgement number always announced in modulo 2 arithmetic the sequence number of next frame expected. So modulo 2 is the correct answer. Next question. The client error HTTP is denoted by status code of dash series. Option A 400, option B 300, option C 100, option D 500. Of course, option A is the correct answer because the client error HTTP is denoted by status code of 400 series. That is the correct answer. So next question. Communication between a computer and a keyboard involves dash transmission. So automatic transmission. Option B, half duplex. Option C, simplex. Option D, full duplex. So communication between computer and a keyboard. Computer and a keyboard is simplex transmission only. So option C is the correct answer. Next question. What is the name of transport layer protocol which is used to support the electronic mail? So option A, SMTP. Option B, IP. Option C, TCP. Option D, UDP. So what is the name of transport layer protocol which is used to support the email? So that is TCP, it will be the support the email. Okay. So TCP is the correct answer. Next question. Dash topology requires a multi-point connection. So option A, star. Option B, mesh. Option C, ring. Option D, bus. So bus topology, it requires a multi-point connection. So bus is the correct answer. Last question. SYN ACK, ACK. Okay, or the message transferred between client and a server in which of the following protocols? Option A, UDP. Option B, DHCP. Option C, TCP. Option D, DNS. So SYN acknowledgement. So these are the message transferred between the client and the server. Okay, by using TCP protocol. So TCP is the correct answer. Okay. So thank you, students. Thank you for watching this video. So next video will be posted next 15 set of questions from CEN lab. So please kindly like this video and subscribe this channel, and please don't forget to share this video to your friends. Thank you.